Dry skin can result from multiple problems, like perioral dermatitis, allergies, dehydration, and irritation from using specific products. Fortunately, home remedies can help. Here is a list of 9 of the best home remedies for dry skin, eyes, and mouth. Number 9. Utilize mild skincare products. Most off-the-shelf cleansers have an alkaline ingredient. Get yourself a cleanser that does not have any detrimental chemicals or aromas. Ensure the pH level of the cleanser is between 4.7 to 5.7, weakly acidic. Do not utilize cleansers that have alcohol, fragrances, and artificial colors, as they can lead to allergic reactions and upset sensitive skin. Moisturizers ameliorate the skin and also help preserve it. Moisturize the area around your mouth gently 2 times a day. Buy yourself a moisturizer that will help fix your broken skin barrier. Go for ingredients such as ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and colloidal oatmeal. Number 8. Oatmeal Baths. Oatmeal is a typical folk treatment for irritated skin. A 2018 study revealed why grandmothers and great-grandmothers have been suggesting this home remedy for years. It works. Colloidal oatmeal contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that ease irritation. This cure is specifically practical if you're seeking to reduce itching. After taking an oatmeal bath, make sure you moisturize your skin to lock in the barrier. You can make an oatmeal bath at home. Using a food processor to chop oatmeal into a fine powder, mix it into warm water. You can also use one of the numerous commercial products to make an oatmeal soak. Number 7. Wear sunscreen. A drop or 2 of sunscreen can protect you from various skin problems. Make it a point to apply broad-spectrum sunscreen 20 minutes before you step out of the house during the day. Avoid going out between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The sunlight is the most powerful during these peak hours. Number 6. Coconut oil. Coconut oil includes emollient combinations. Emollients seal the spaces between skin cells, making a smooth surface. That's why coconut oil's naturally appearing saturated fatty acids can hydrate and smooth the skin. You can utilize coconut oil every day, even on the most sensitive parts of your body. These are the areas underneath your eyes and around your mouth. Another benefit of coconut oil is that you don't need to combine it with anything. Coconut is mild enough for substantial daily usage. Coconut oil can help ameliorate dry skin and add moisture to the irritated area. It also enhances skin barrier processes that can help your skin lock in moisture and remain highly hydrated. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more informative videos. Number 5. Exfoliate. Dead skin cells stick to the skin's surface, causing clogged pores and dullness. Peeling the skin can help you get rid of dry patches around your mouth, making new and healthy skin cells. Peeling can be done chemically or manually. Chemical exfoliators rev up cell turnover and are related to enhancing your skin health. Physical exfoliators help clear dry patches from the surface of your skin. Look for exfoliators that have hydroxy acids. They can relieve apparent dryness around your mouth. Number 4. Honey. Honey not only relieves your skin of dryness but is also a treat to your taste buds. Honey has moisturizing properties that help soothe dry skin. Take a teaspoon of honey, add a pinch of sugar to it and gently scrub it across your lips to remove dead skin. Number 3. Adjust your shower temperature. The American Academy of Dermatology states that easing dry skin is sometimes as simple as switching your shower habit. While most individuals want to take hot showers, these can burn the skin and lead to damage. And soaps that are declared to moisturize and improve skin condition can have opposing effects. They can trigger allergic reactions and make the skin thinner with intense chemicals. Take short showers with water that's warm, not hot. And look for soaps that are fragrance-free and gentler on the skin than conventional soaps. Number 2. Avoid allergens and irritants. A sudden occurrence of dry skin might be linked to the clothes you're wearing or what you've applied your skin to. Sitting by the fireplace, spending time in chlorinated or chemically treated water, or even wearing wool clothing can all upset your skin and make it dry. Check what you're putting your skin through, and try to cure it gently and slowly. Number 1. Antioxidants and omega-3s. When your skin is dry, you're exposing it to components damaging skin cells quicker than your body can rebuild them. Some foods can help your skin seem healthier, according to the Mayo Clinic. Foods high in antioxidants can minimize damage from toxins and help your body produce healthy cells. Some of the foods that are associated with skin health include blueberries, carrots, tomatoes, beans, lentils, peas. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, can also make your skin brighter and glowing. It's essential to maintain skin health. Your skin is the first line of protection against bacteria and viruses. When your skin is compromised by itching, an ailment can happen. Consider incorporating a suitable moisturizer into your everyday routine, even when your skin isn't bothering you. Actually, preserving a healthy skin barrier day to day is one of the finest ways to stop outbreaks of dry skin. Another essential skin care tip is to utilize moisturizing sunscreen daily to avoid skin damage and dryness. Wear loose-fitting, cotton clothing that draws sweat away from the skin when exposed to high temperatures or skin-irritating conditions. Keep in mind that dehydrated skin can be an expression of more severe disease. If home remedies aren't assisting, you may require to visit a doctor to get a prescription medicine to ease your dry skin. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.